In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Monday.com. If you find yourself creating the same tasks over and over again every day, week, or month, setting up recurring tasks will save you a lot of time and keep your workflows consistent. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and by the end, you'll have an automation that creates tasks for you on a schedule you choose. First, open the board where you want your recurring tasks to appear. This could be a projects board, a content calendar, a team tasks board, or anything else you use regularly. Make sure this is the board where you actually want new items to be created automatically, because that's where Monday.com will add them. Once your board is open, look toward the top right of your screen and click on Automate. This opens the automation center for that specific board, where you can tell Monday.com what to do and when to do it. Next, click on the button that says Add Automation. This will bring up a gallery of different automation recipes you can choose from. There are a lot of options here, so instead of scrolling, we'll use the search bar to find the exact one we need. In the search bar, type the word Every. This filters the list down to automations that are based on a recurring schedule. From the results, select the recipe that says, Every time period, create an item. This is the one that will automatically create a new task at a regular interval. Now you'll customize that recipe. First, click on the part that says Time Period. Here you can choose how often you want the task to be created. You can set it to daily, weekly, or monthly. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, use daily for a daily check-in, weekly for a recurring team meeting, or monthly for things like reports or invoicing. Some options also let you choose the exact day and time, so set those according to your schedule. Next, click on the word Item. This is where you define what the recurring task will actually look like on your board. Enter the task name, and then fill in any relevant column values, such as owner, status, due date, priority, or any custom fields you use. The more detail you add here, the less you'll have to edit each time a new task is created. When everything looks good, click Create Automation. Your recurring task is now set up, and Monday.com will automatically create new items based on the schedule and settings you've just defined.